the Aquatic Robotics.
We're here to teach you about the amazing robotics out on the ocean today.
Our first episode, we are going to introduce you to Platypus LLC.
We're here today while Platypus introduces their robotic airboats to the professors of the Geneva College.
Here we are at our staging area. All of us met at the primary and secondary basins of the Beaver Falls Municipal Authority East Vale plant. There had been a lot of snow and rain recently, and so the water in the river was too choppy to demonstrate the boats on the river. Instead, we used the basins. Sean from Platypus explained how their boats worked and the different sensors that were available to be attached to the boats. The boat linked wirelessly to an Android tablet that could control the motors and direct the boats to where you wanted it. And the sensor data was transmitted through the Android phone that was integrated into the circuits of the boat. It was fascinating, the type of information that these boats could get for you. They could tell you the temperature of the water. They could tell you how much electrical current could pass through the water. They could tell you the different chemicals in the water. You can program them to follow a chemical path to discover who is polluting the water. The batteries were huge. Each boat had an Android phone that was programmed as the onboard computer. It was able to send wireless signals. When Sean lifted up the phone, we saw Arduinos.
No.
My favorite part was driving them. It was like a video game. Platypus is the world leader in low-cost water data collection. They provide monitoring solutions globally using their autonomous, cooperative robotic boats. They will let high school and college students borrow the boats for meaningful projects. Platypus is based in Pittsburgh. It was a spin-off from Carnegie Mellon University's Robotic Institute in 2012. This is the Aquatic Robotics signing off for now. Tune in next episode for more high tech and water.